Hi, this is Todd Holt with the Production Support Office, the CAD division. I'm going to show you how to do some quick clips of civil cells, of placing the civil cell directional median openings. So let's jump right into it in Microstation. So from the task menu, the civil tools, we'll go to our civil cells, and the place civil cell icon, we'll click on that. We'll bring up another dialog box, the place civil cell, where we can pick our civil cell. In this window, the place civil cell, we have our libraries are on the left hand side, and then this is the preview plane once we pick our civil cell. So we'll go to our directional median opening where the civil cells are stored. Let's go ahead and place the parallel turn bay. Each of these directional median openings are drawn off of the design standards. So if you know the correct design standard that you need for the turn directional median openings, you can pick that. So this libraries are here. Your preview window can zoom in to get a better view of the civil cell, or zoom out or fit view if you can't tell what the civil cell is. So the civil cell is placed by these red lines, which are the reference lines. The black lines of the image are the actual civil cell. So let's go ahead and place this one in our DGN file. Once you select it, you just zoom into the reference lines that you want and just follow the prompts. So this one is telling us to pick the left side road, and then the main line, which would be this line, and then the right side road. And it'll place it, and that you'll see the arrows on your reference lines. That just changes the direction. So that places there, and then it's just following the prompts again. So we'll reset by hitting our right mouse button, and then accept civil placement by clicking the left. And that'll put a placement of our civil cell in our DGN file. If we hit F7, the function key, that'll get rid of our construction lines, so we just have the features of the civil cell shown. Let's bring those back on. Let's place another one real quick. Let's do a half at this section here. So we'll go back and pick a different civil cell, and we'll pick our half parallel turn bay to that space off this design standard. So we'll go ahead and pick that. Now it's given our side road center line and our main line. Now this would be a half turn lane going from east to north. If we need westbound going southbound, all we have to do is change the direction of our reference lines. And now we have a westbound to southbound directional median going in there. So again, you just right click and then left click to accept. And you have those placed. Then the function key F7 will get rid of your construction lines, and now we have two civil cells placed in this drawing. Let's bring our construction lines back on, and to see your civil cells, you go under File, you can go open up your Project Explorer. You would go to your civil model, which has your civil data in it, and click on your plus, and then that has this tab for civil cells. If you click this, it'll show all the different civil cells that you have in there. Once you have one highlighted, you can right click. You can either drop the civil cell or place it. You can actually place civil cells from this menu too, or you can delete the civil cell. So let's say this half parallel turn bay was the wrong one. So if we delete it, it's right back here. So we'll move our Project Explorer out of the way. It's still processing. We just got rid of that civil cell. So that concludes how we place the directional medians for this process. So if you guys have questions or comments, you can contact the CAD office with the main line of 850-414-4380, or myself, Todd Holt, at 850-414-4859. Thank you for attending.